Assalamu alaikum. In today's video we will learn how to find the slope of the line that goes through the points minus 6, 5 and minus 7, 3. Minus 6, 5 and the second one is minus 7, minus 3. Alright. After that, the one we have to find, we will use the point slope formula. What is the point slope formula? Point slope formula is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is called point slope formula. Now, by using these 2 points, we will find the slope of the line. The first point is given minus 6, 5 and the second one is minus 7, minus 3. Now I am going to putting these points into this equation. So here this one is called x1 and this one is called y1. This one is called y1, oh sorry, x2, and this one is called y2. Now putting these values in the equation, I again explain this one. In the y2 place, you can see here what is y2, minus 3, and what is y1, 5. I put these values, and in the same way for the x2 and x1. In the x2 I will put minus 7, and for the x1 I will put minus 6. This one, why it is x2 and this is x1, and you can see here this minus is the formula given. After simplification, I will put minus 5 minus 3 will be minus 8, and the x2 minus x1, the minus 7 minus. Now you can see here this minus when multiplied by second minus, it will become plus sign. So it's plus, and after simplification in the numerator it will be minus 8, and then in the denominator minus 1, and when 8 divided by minus 1 it will be 8. So this is the final answer. This is our required slope of the line from the given 2 points. Now the second question is to find the slope from the graph. Okay, we need to find the slope from the graph. So first of all, we will consider 2 points, any 2 points on the line. First I am considering this origin point, and the second one is this 5, minus 2. Now we will use the formula of the slope. The formula of the slope is change in y over change in x. All right, sorry, this is change in y vertically, and this is change in x. All right, so now I am putting this value in the equation. So I can write it also, it is like as change in y minus 2 minus 0 x, and the change in y, change in x, what will be, this is the change in y, this is the change in y. Now I am going to find the change in x. 0 to 5, final hour is 5 and the initial is 0. 5 minus 0, if we see here, the final answer will be minus 2 over 5. This is the slope, this is our required. And one thing more, I can consider any point on the graph. I can also consider these points too on the graph. So if I consider these 2 points, let's suppose this is our first one point, and the second one, this is the initial and it is the final. First point is minus 5, 2. So the second is 0, 0. I am taking the initial this one and final this one. So the change in y, what will be? in y. What is the change in y? 0 minus 2. And what is the change in x? 0 minus, and this is minus 5, minus 2 over 5. This is the same like before. Same like before.